back to my channel, Jeanette's Lifestyle. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ngayong pong araw ay isi-share ko lang po sa inyo kung paano ko po or how I'm gonna make my simple own recipe of sweet macaroni salad. Yes po. Actually, sweet macaroni salad is a Filipino dessert. It's one of the best, or I mean, it's one of the well-known salad they are making, especially if there's a party or celebration or Christmas or New Year. Yeah. So this time, I will show to you how I am going to make it in my own simple way. Yes. So others are using a macaroni, which is an elbow, which is famous to our country. But for me, I'm just making this a small shell macaroni, which is just 2 cups, yeah, for my own measurement. And of course, half 1 cup mayonnaise or mayonnaise. And then of course, I have here the fruit cocktail in juice. Of course, we need to drain it later. I'm gonna use 1 can of it, as well as the pineapple chunks. And then here, the condensed milk. I'll be using half can of it because I don't like so much too sweet for it. So it's just, you know, just to taste. And then I'll be using the cheddar cheese, which is the orange, which is cutted in cube already. And of course, I have here the raisin. Yeah, I'm using half cup of raisins as well. Yeah, so hope you will enjoy, guys, watching my own sweet macaroni salad in my own way of doing it. Okay, so please stay tuned, guys, and enjoy watching. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back once again. First thing I'm doing, guys, is that of course I'm draining this fruit cocktail, okay, because we need it later. So after draining, we need to set it aside because we don't need the water. Yeah, just the fruits. Okay. There you go. Next is that the pineapple chunks as well. Yeah, I need to drain it. You know, I like pineapple in the this kind of salad. One of my favorite fruits in our country is pineapple. Okay, so it's just that simple. Yeah, so I'm draining for it, yes, and then just set aside, okay, and we'll use it later. Please stay tuned. Once again, the next thing is that I am boiling, or I have here already the boiling water for my macaroni, okay. All we need is that boil it like 7 minutes, yeah. Okay, just that for we'll cook it until it's 7 minutes. We need here that the macaroni is intact or not too much cook, or I mean the it's still whole, yeah, or you know, intact. Yes, so we'll just need to boil it like 7 minutes. Okay, so we'll cover it and please stay tuned. Guys, so while I'm waiting for my macaroni to get tender, I'm just trying to open this sweet milk, sweet condensed milk. Yeah, and I'll be using only half can of it, of this one. Okay, so there you go. And I have here as well, yeah, it's already drained, my fruit cocktail, 1 can, and as well as the pineapple chunks. So I have here also the mixing bowl, the bowl salad for my preparation soon. Okay, so hello guys, so it's like already 7 minutes and it's done already, the macaroni. You see the macaroni is intact, yeah, and then it's time for us to drain it. Yeah, so there you go. Yes, so what I am doing is I am rinsing it with cold water, yeah, and then set aside. So please stay tuned, and after this is I will arrange it already in a mixing bowl. Okay, so thank you for watching, see you in a bit. Well, and now it's time for me to arrange the shell macaroni salad into a mixing bowl. Okay, so there you go. And after that, of course, we need to put already all the ingredients needed. And now I have here the fruit cocktail. Yeah, just mix them. I mean add them and mix it later. And we have here the pineapple chunks. Okay. In our country, this kind of sweet salad is very famous and everybody loves this, yeah, especially during celebrations. And we have here the raisins. Actually others don't this is optional, or you know, others don't like this, but for me I like this because it's uh, makes the salad more or colorful, yeah. And others also are using like kaong or coconut jelly, something like that, but me, I am not using it. Yeah, so now it's time for me to add the mayonnaise. This is half cup, yeah, my measurement only is half cup. This is very easy and simple to prepare, yeah. So it's like 10 minutes preparation. And now I am using the half can of sweet condensed milk. Okay, so here you go. And it's time for me to mix them all together evenly so that the consistency is being what is it, mixed all together. And last one is that I am using the, as what I have told you before, that you can use also white cheddar cheese, but for me I am using the orange one. Yeah, it is also a cheddar cheese. So there you go, and just mix them evenly. Yeah, when I was young in our country, I remember that making a sweet macaroni salad is very hard, especially in our country. The ingredients are very not cheap, or they are seldom, I mean, they are just preparing it if they have some celebrations. But here, I can make it anytime I want, because this is also a good snacks, you know. Yeah, you see? So this is just very easy to prepare, guys. Yes, as you can see, there you go. Yeah, so it's very colorful. Yeah, so guys, here is already the finished dessert of mine for today, which I have made. On top is that I putted it, or I added it with black berries. Yeah, as you can see, yes, that's the blackberries, a fresh one. Yes, so you can added it with some fresh as well, like pears or apple. You can slice it fresh and just add it on. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, so once again, guys, thank you for watching, and if you are still new to my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe as well. And please don't forget to click the bell button for you to be updated for my new videos to come. Okay, so hope you enjoyed watching how I made my simple own recipe of sweet macaroni salad, which is very uh, tasty, affordable, especially here in Europe, and of course healthy as well. Yeah, so it is better to eat this, guys, if it needs to be putted in, or place it in refrigerator, or chill it after 2 hours. It is best served. Okay, so once again, thank you for watching, and hope to see you next time in my more videos to come. Okay, so once again, thanks for watching, and it's time for me to say bye for now.